In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best barefoot shoes in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Based on the innovative Fivefingers platform that helped launch the barefoot running movement, the VI-LITE 2.0 adds to the success of Vibram's minimalist designs by introducing a quality trail runner. Asserting the definitive qualities of an adventure racing shoe, this model is a great choice for trail running. Striking a nice balance between minimalism and brawn, the VI-LITE 2.0 is lightweight, durable, and stable when moving through uneven terrain. We had a blast setting out at speed on our favorite alpine trails, knowing that our feet were protected from rocks and roots. The fully wrapped upper also did an impressive job of keeping our feet dry, even through multiple creek crossings. As a trade-off for comfort and confidence, this shoe loses some points in terms of ground feel. While the shoe has a small, 3.7 mm stacked height, it does incorporate 2 mm of EVA foam in a non-removable insole. Where we mainly found problems with regard to barefoot accuracy was in the dexterity of the toes. The relatively thick rubber outsole continues to wrap up the front of each individual toe, restricting flexibility and diminishing proprioception. Despite its few pitfalls, we thoroughly enjoyed trail running in the VI-LITE 2.0 and would suggest it to the adventurous barefoot runner looking for ultimate trail protection. Number 4. At first glance, the Merrell Bare Access XTR have a distinctly normal running shoe appearance, but delve a little deeper and their foot-shaped and minimal principles shine through. As an example, you'd think there was a heel two-toe drop, but your foot actually sits in the midsole, rather than on it, and more so at the rear. There's 17 mm of stack, rear and fore, including a Vibram outer, which uses 3 mm lugs for grip. It's not super sticky but performs well, only sliding around dramatically for our tester and some inappropriately deep snow and sticky mud. The midsole is firm but still provides comfort over rough terrain without muting ground feel completely. The mesh upper is foot-shaped and broad but not super wide. In our tests, we found the gusseted medium padded tongue helps with comfortable lacing. A good lockdown and secure heel lock are easily achieved. Overlays, heel counters and toe bumper features are all subtle but present. The minimal design and lightweight of this barefoot running shoe encourage fast feet, while the midsole adds a level of protection for worry-free fast descending. Number 3. Altra doesn't particularly associate itself with the barefoot movement. Its appeal is broader and less controversial. However, the Superior exhibits features that fit with their natural running theme. Altra is appreciated for their twin design philosophies of foot-shaped and balanced cushioning. The former describes a shape that allows your toes to splay, especially during toe-off. The latter refers to their zero-drop platform. This feels like extra cushion under the ball of your toes rather than less under the heel. As the most minimal shoe in their trail range, a considered line choice rather than a one-and-blast is the best descending technique. The upper is a thin, soft and flexible engineered knit, lightly padded in the midfoot, a little more around the heel collar. Like the padding, the midsole is just right for a fast barefoot running shoe, with 21 mm of Quantic midsole and Max Track rubber giving responsive cushioning and dependable grip over most terrain. Only muddy conditions causing occasional slips. Under the 6 mm insole is Altra Stone Guard, a removable plastic layer that could save you 30 grams and increase ground feel, although we left them in enjoying the protection they provide. Number 2. In terms of style and grace, the Merrell Vapor Glove 5 continues to help define the barefoot category. This shoe represents the best value of any pair we tested, offering up superior natural feel without sacrificing any of its integrity and design. In fact, the latest iteration only seeks to improve upon its past success. The outsole has been completely updated in a way that benefits the even profile of this low-rise shoe, but still maintains a super thin, 6.5 mm stacked height which keeps your soles right against the ground. The redesigned upper features a stretch collar for improved fit, comfort, and agility. Tipping the scales at just under 12 ounces per pair, the Vapor Glove holds true to its name, a nearly there, sock-like shoe that only seeks to highlight the natural ability of your own 2 feet. Some with higher arches may find that the new stretch collar is a bit constricting, but many fans of the line claim that the new style of upper is one of the best yet. We tend to agree with the latter, as the updated construction offers a snug, stable fit without reducing mobility. While the upper gives this shoe greater versatility between road running and the gym, the homogeneous lugs of the redesigned sole offer less traction for trail runners. The intense ground feel will likely only appeal to hardcore, barefoot runners and should not be taken lightly by those without experience with this running style. But if you are looking to build a foundation from your feet up, the Vapor Glove 5 continues to set a high bar for barefoot shoes. Number 1. From roads to trails and into the gym, the Zero HFS is a consistent, versatile barefoot trainer that aims to bring out the best in your feet. The highlight of this minimalist shoe is an ultra-flexible construction, allowing it to comfortably conform to the natural movements of your feet and provide an experience that the manufacturer aptly dubs Barefoot Plus. The supple, proprietary rubber of these thin, 5.5mm shoes allows your toes to flex and grip naturally, while a spacious mesh forefoot enables them to spread and splay for improved stability. All of this will likely appeal to the die-hard barefoot crowd, but for those just dipping their toes into minimalist footwear, the HFS also includes a 3mm high-density EVA insole to provide a bit of cushioning to ease that transition. While this barefoot trainer hits all of the marks, it is surprisingly one of the heavier shoes we tested, weighing in at just under 15 ounces per pair. However heavy compared to the rest of the competition, this is still impressively lightweight compared to many other trainers on the market. These are specifically designed as a road running shoe, and it is evident after a fair amount of trail time that rougher terrain quickly beats and wears on the thin outsole. But for those looking for a training shoe to take them down the road and into the gym, the Zero HFS is an outstanding, multi-sport barefoot shoe. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.